Hi everyone, I'm Szenanphua from TCM School. In this video, I'm going to show you one of the case study treated under JIYI Acupuncture. It's from Malaysia practitioner. Okay, let's have a look the PPT with the PowerPoint keynote. Here you go. So the topic here is JIYI Acupuncture to treat stage 2 with second degree. We call it stenosis of the knee joint. The difficulty of going up and down stairs before the acupuncture, before JIYI Acupuncture, of course, and it becomes easier after the acupuncture. So we have a video over here that I will show you. And in this video, at the moment, you're going to watch, you see that the patient going up to the stair difficulty, very difficulty is slow and need to grab something to be able to go up and as well as down, right? And we're going to show you the x-ray of the knee and you can see how bad is it. And then right after JIYI Acupuncture, and you see how easy is that the patient going come down. And stay tuned, I'm going to show you what needles that you can treat according to JIYI Acupuncture yin-yang imbalance to treat knee pain. Okay, now let's watch the video first. As you can see that slow, difficult, holding something to going up to the stage. Even going down, that's slow. And that is the x-ray. Right after acupuncture, you see how easy is that?
Okay.
Simple. That is amazing. Amazing. Okay. Before I show you, you see that everyone can do this. It's easy. Only few needles, and you don't even have to retain the needles in patient body, right? Very quick, within 5 minutes, you get results. So simple. Before I go forward to show you how to diagnose JIYI Acupuncture and how to put the needle, which point to insert the needles, and I'm going to show you, give me a minute, I'm trying to get to the point. Okay, let's talk about what you can do over here if you want to join JIYI Acupuncture. Okay, let's have a look here. So Malaysia JIYI workshop in 2023 in June from 19th to 21st, right? We need at least 30 students to be able to make this workshop happen, to kickstart the workshop, okay? So if you're interested to join JIYI Acupuncture, even though you're an English speaker, don't you worry. People ask me to teach, I say, well, Master Liu will teach you and you will learn more from Master Liu, okay? Master Cao Long Liu, and we have interpreter in the workshop and to translate everything to you into English, okay, into English. Of course, you have to go to Malaysia. So this is my WhatsApp, and contact me on WhatsApp, and we have a group. We'll invite you into the group. And what else? We have a video. We have a video. It's free training. I haven't finished it, but I'm just about to finish it. And there's a link below this video or above this video, and click the link and register to get a free JIYI Acupuncture training. Okay, and there's another link that you can join the Malaysia JIYI Acupuncture workshop, and click it and join. Okay, now next, as I promised, this is the hang on, over here. How do you diagnose JIYI yin-yang diagnosis, right? So in this cases, the case in the video that we just showed you, it's called Kunze strategy. Yeah, you can use Kunze acupuncture point, and you can use Kunze T as well. There's T available, GET, and the diagnosis is 左阳, which is left yang. What's left yang? Okay, now I'm gonna show you what's left yang mean. Okay, in this patient, if patient laying on their back, okay, I show this on the free training. Okay, go ahead and sign up the free training. Okay, if you want to know more. So for quick training over here, by looking at this patient's leg when the patient lay down, and the right leg point compared with to the left, the right toes pointing outward more than that one, right? And this is right yang, diagnosis right yang, okay? But on the case that we just saw, it is pointing that. Of course, he didn't, the case didn't show you, but it say in Chinese over there called 左阳. What does 左阳 mean? The left leg, left yang, left leg's pointing outward more than right leg, like this. Okay, so then in this case, what point can you choose? Okay, I'm gonna name the point to you, and you're gonna write down. Left and right is very, very important. Okay, remember, left and right is very important. When it comes to JIYI acupuncture, there is two strategy for choosing the point. One is local strategy, one is distal strategy. Okay, let me show you the local strategy first, point first. Okay, the local strategy point on left yang, right? So on the left yang, left leg, the diagnosis is left yang. So you're going to needle left stomach meridian, and then the stomach meridian, which point are you going to choose? Stomach 36. Okay, stomach 36, stomach 35, stomach 34, and you can even needle stomach 33. Okay, 33, right? Those 4 points, okay, you can bring it down to just 3 points, and it's up to you. Then in the opposite side, which you're going to needle left leg, you're going to needle spleen meridian. Okay, spleen 9, so first point over here, spleen 9, the eye point, internal knee eye, okay, second point, and spleen, hang on, let me have a look, spleen 10, 血海 point, spleen 10. Okay, those are the local points. And remember, when JIYI acupuncture, you can choose to retain the needles or not. No need to retain the needles. And if you don't want to retain the needle, it's simple. Put the needle in and out for 3 to 5 times and get the needle out. That's it. That's how simple it is. Okay. Then what about distal points? Is there any distal point that you can choose? Yes, there is distal point. There are distal point you can choose. I'm going to show you. Okay. On the left side, you are going to needle lung 5, okay? And on the right hand, you're going to needle large intestine 10, which is 手三里, large intestine 10, 手三里, okay? Now, again, on the distal point, you don't need to retain the needle. If you want to retain needle, it's up to you. But for me, in general, I just in and out 5 times and then take the needle out. That's it. Then what you're going to do after needles, get patient to walk around, stand up, and bend down the knee and things like that, and you can see the result. Marvelous result. Okay, so go ahead and try it out. That's how simple JIYI acupuncture is. Okay, and we have Szenjiang diagnosis and Szenjiang unique diagnosis. You need to attend the workshop where to get the answer, get all the point, to learn everything. So in the workshop, Master Liu will show you everything, right? So if you're interested to join the workshop, the link is above or below this video, okay? And don't you forget to join the free training. I'll see you next time. Stay awesome. Bye-bye.